on this one, I'm just going to continue and add the PVC or plastic material to the Archipack windows. So let's get started. So I'm just going to zoom in here to the window a little bit further. And if we take a look at the inside and outside, what I'm going to do is just add a similar material that's on the Archimesh windows. And that's just really a basic dielectric material or a plastic PVC. So I'm just going to delete this diffuse and Shift A. On shader, I'm going to add a principled BSDF, plug that in there. We can leave it where it is, just off white, and maybe turn down the roughness. So maybe 0.1, 0.18. We can do the same thing then for the window outside. Just click use nodes, delete the diffuse, Shift A, and add the principled BSDF. Okay, and just repeat the process. Turn down the roughness, and that would be pretty good. Okay, so the window metal, window stone. Let's change the window stone just to suit the rest of it. So I'm just going to match it really. Shift A again, principled BSDF. Let's plug that in there. Turn down the roughness. And I'm just going to press Control B and make a render border. And press Z. Just quickly give that a render. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm going to select the window metal and click use nodes. I'm just going to delete this. Shift A. I'm going to add a principled BSDF and just plug that into the surface. So for this, I'm going to turn up the metallic. So this is going to be a metallic object. We're obviously talking about the handle here. I'm going to leave the roughness up, but I'm going to reduce it slightly so we get a slightly rough metallic material. So I'm going to come back to solid and I'm going to press Control Alt B just to get rid of that border select. So if you come down to view down here, you can use the same thing. So you have render border here, Control B, zoom border when you're in it. Okay, and clear border, Control Alt B. So that's a useful menu there. So I'm just going to press Z and bring up wireframe. And actually what I might do is switch off the ground floor and first floor. Just zoom in over here, over towards the handle on the inside. Okay, and press Control B just to border select this, press Z and render. Okay, so if I change the color on this, are we getting blue? No, okay, so that doesn't appear to be the window metal. Just going to press Control Alt B just to exit that and come back to solid. Zoom out here. So all these materials will have updated. I'm not sure what the metal is on this window. It's definitely not the handle. Okay, but it's not going to be an issue. I'm just going to come back and switch back on these two. Okay, but otherwise that's going to do it for this one.